Alright, today we're going to be using the model 2125 HDP Clear 2-inch gold hand dredge from Gold and Sniffer products. I have all of this bedrock right here where I want to look for gold, but there's absolutely no place to go ahead and sit down. So what I'm going to do to make it a little bit easier to work standing up is I am going to install the Gold and Sniffer products Deluxe T-handle kit. This is the Deluxe T-handle kit. Comes with a guide tube, comes with an extended length rod for the T-handle, an auxiliary handle, an adapter for fastening the guide tube to the hand dredge, a rod guide for the top of the tube, another guide that presses or press fits onto the handle, the T-handle with stainless steel hex bolt and hex nut, and then a few stainless steel hose clamps to go along with that. 3 for this particular M2125 HDP Clear. So, let's get started. You're going to need a couple of hand tools. Going to need a 5/16 nut driver, and in this particular case, we have a 14mm open-end wrench. The way this installs is we have to have one clamp down here to hold the adapter to the pump body. And we have to have another clamp higher up to hold, or I should say, to clamp tight the adapter to the guide tube. Let's get this started. That's not bad. Looks about right. Or I should say we want to press fit on the inner handle guide, the tube guide that fits on the outside of the handle. Now there's another guide on here. What this does is this keeps the bellows straight inside the guide tube so that it doesn't rub up against the side as much as it would without it. Okay, that's on. We're going to press the adapter that goes on the handle. We're going to press that on. We're going to make sure we press that on tight because we don't want that slipping off when we start hand dredging. Far down as it'll go. And then we're going to tighten that on. Okay, real good. Push the tube guide all the way down. Yep, that's right. Make sure that's still up at the top. Very good. Okay, now we're going to install the tube guide, or I should say the rod guide. Now the way this is designed, it'll snap right in there. There we go. And then the handle screws into the top of that. Now, okay, here we go. Now what we need to do is put the 2.5 inch hose back on, and we're ready to pump a little bit of material. There we go. And we're ready to work deeper. Hey, you like that, huh? There we go. Now we can actually work a little bit deeper. Now we're going to install the auxiliary handle. In this particular case, I think what I want to do is I want to be watching the pump as I'm pumping, so I'm going to install it as a lefty. That should be good enough. Okay. Oh, look at that. Out comes the material. And so, this is how it looks, installed to the dredge. Oh, look at that, got a nice rock in there. There we go. All right, now that the rock's not in there, let's see what it looks like when it's shooting out water. Well, there we go. The model 2125 HDP clear 2-inch gold hand dredge from Gold Sniffer products with the Deluxe T-handle installed on it.